How to set up marketplace on business page. Let's get started. Firstly, go ahead and launch your Facebook account. You can use a web browser. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of page. Now at the top right corner, you're going to find your profile picture. Click on that. Different options will appear. Click on the option of see all profiles. With that, you will be able to find all the pages. Now firstly, you will need to create a new page. For that, go ahead and click on the option of create new profile or page. With that, you're going to get two options, personal profile or public page. Go ahead and select the option of public page. Creating public page, you will be able to grow as business, creator or organization. After you check in for this option, you can go ahead and click on the option of next. After you create the page, you will be able to get access to these features. Use advanced professional tools, assign access to others, get actionable insights, and reach more people. Click on get started. Now you have to create page name. Go ahead and type in the page name. Then select the category for your page. Also, you can add anything to your bio. After you provide all the details, go ahead and click on the option of create page. With that, your page will be created. After you create the page, now here you're going to find different options as post, about, followers, photos, videos, more. Along with these options, you will also find the option of shop. But this feature is not available in all the regions. At the moment, in my region as well, this feature is not available. But in your region, this feature might be available. You might see the option of shop along with these options. You have to click on that option. Once you're in the shop page, you can add your products. Well, this is how you can easily set up marketplace on business page. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.